What's going on, traders? Welcome back to another AMC video. We're going to quickly go over why I think this week was successful. I know we did pretty much close flat. We were at the same levels we were pre-markets. Although we did test $38, I'll talk about why I think this week was a win. However, let's quickly go over this. I know I'm still on the fence of this. It doesn't make sense to me, but a quick couple Google searches, and I'm kind of still in doubt. Feel free to chime in and leave your comments down below. Citadel sells $408 billion in stocks. Why does this not make sense? Because when I Google it and I find it, the filing on the SEC, it tells me that they still have $446 billion on the table. Now, however, you go back to the tweet, it says they sold Amazon, Triple Q's, the ETF, Apple, Google. First one being Amazon. You go to Fintel, where this document, this rumor originated from, and there's calls, there's puts on Amazon, but I think they're talking about the shares here. They actually did decrease their position according to Fintel. That's why I'm kind of torn in between, and it doesn't really make sense. $408 billion. That's no joke, guys. That's a big position. And if they were ready to sell $408 billion, the market would crater. Triple Q's, I believe, closed green, by the way. I think it did close green and had a rally into close, which makes no sense. If they were to sell $408 billion, the market would probably feel that. You think? So if that doesn't really make sense, feel free to chime in and drop your comments down below. As for AMC, I know we closed flat. The 38 test was there, not necessarily 40, in which I wanted to. But this brings me back to the same levels when you look at the 4-hour that we were trading back in April and May on AMC. Just sideways, low volume. We're coming off the first initial spike here to around $15. And we're consolidating above 30. We're in this range, guys. We're stuck. 40 resistance and 30 support. Keep it simple like that. We're in the support range where I think there still seems to be some demand when AMC drops. If by any reason the stock does come down to 30, I think it's going to be like Bitcoin. It's going to bounce off of 30. I think there is some substantial demand at $30 for AMC. However, it's not about holding support at the end of the day. You want this stock to freaking crush it and start to rally. And to me, the problem comes in right around $40. $40 is where the stock has been seemingly struggling. Even when we broke 40 to 44, it didn't really sustain itself. So I don't know how much longer this can trade in this range, in this wedge. But to be honest, it's going to need a lot of volume and a lot of attention for this stock to really tap 77 again. We had the perfect gamma, some shorts covering, and a lot of FOMO back when we hit 77. So keep that at the back of your head. For it to be able to play off like this, everything needs to be freaking perfect for this stock. As for the short interest, we're down 0.60%. We're at 17.85%, so it's still kind of around 19%. I'd only be worried if this starts to drop back to like 15, 13%. That is where things start to get a little fishy. But for now, today, this week was pretty successful in my opinion. Holding support, the only thing we need is the volume to push us back up to 40. That demand, guys, demand's going to be there at $30. I know that for a fact. But for us to keep on going higher, we need more buyers at the high 30s, guys. So keep that in mind. Also, in regards to the whole SEC, the Citadel thing, I know that's an overall theme in my channel. Verify things, do a couple quick Google searches, see for yourself, build a habit like that. It's going to save you a lot of heartaches, a lot of losses, and you're able to profit like that off in the future, guys. It makes you a better trader and investor. So with that being said, hopefully you guys have an amazing rest of your weekend. I start school on Monday, by the way, fall semester. So if I miss an upload here or there occasionally, it's because I'm probably jammed. Keep in mind, I also do I have another business, other side hustles I do. So it's going to be a push. It's going to be a struggle, but at the end of the day, it's going to be worth it. So I'll see you guys Monday. Hopefully you guys have an amazing weekend. Stay well, stay healthy, stay rested. Peace out.